How to fix Facebook Lite message not showing or not opening problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Facebook Lite message not showing or not opening problem on your phone. So if your message are not loading or opening, just follow the simple steps and it will be fixed in minutes. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to check your internet connection. So first, make sure that your internet connection is stable. If not, then you can try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile data, because sometimes poor connection cause message not to load. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to restart the Facebook Lite. So if the problem is still going on, then you can simply close the Facebook Lite app completely and simply reopen it. And this will simply refresh that can solve temporary bugs. And with forward to the step 3, that is to clear cache and data. So simply long press on the Facebook Lite app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu just tap on app info. And now here, once you are in the app settings, just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it. And once you do that, you can simply reopen the Facebook Lite app and log in again, and this will usually fix most message loading problems. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the Facebook Lite. So here you can simply open the Play Store app, and now here inside Play Store you can simply search for the Facebook Lite app. And now here, make sure that you have the latest version of the Facebook Lite app installed. If not, then you can simply update it to the latest version to fix the bugs. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to check the app permission. So here just long press on the Facebook Lite app icon again, and now here from the pop-up menu just tap on app info. And now here, once you are in the app settings, just scroll down and tap on app permissions, and now here make sure that all permissions like storage, network, notifications are allowed. If not, then you can simply allow it. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to reinstall the app. So here, if the problem still continues, then you can simply uninstall the Facebook app and install it again from the Play Store. And with that, moving forward to the step 7, that is to try the web version. So here, sometimes if you still have problem going on in there, then you can simply open the browser and go to the facebooklite.com. And now here you can simply log in using your credentials and use your Facebook message right there. And with that, moving forward to the step 8, that is to check the server status. So sometimes the issue isn't from your phone, the issue is from the server. So for that, you can simply visit the server checker like downdetector.com and check there if the Facebook is down globally or not. And that's it. That's how you can fix Facebook Lite message not showing on your phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.